Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Beauty Company. Hope you all are doing safe and healthy. Today I am going to speak about my top 10 foundations that I love for myself, and it is perfect for dusky skin tone. So I'll also provide some mini reviews, and I'll start from ascending order from lowest price to the highest price. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. So first in the foundation we have Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. I'm in the shade 330 Toffee, and this retails for rupees 299. This was the first foundation that I had tried for myself. Choosing a foundation was a really difficult task for me, because after a lot of research and how to choose your foundation shade, how to know your undertones, I excelled in choosing the right foundation for me. So this was the first foundation, and I am in absolute love with this because this has a perfect matte formula. It dries up to complete matte. Even if you don't set your areas, this will not crack, not crease, and also it will not cake up your skin. So if you have oily skin, this is a boon for you, and if you have dry skin like me, you will have to pre-moisturize your skin very well. You have to do all the skincare, make your skin hydrated, juicy, and then you are good to go while using this foundation. Next in the foundation is Miss Claire Everyday Natural Weightless Foundation. I am in the shade Caramel, and this retails for rupees 325, which is quite affordable for a drugstore brand. And being a drugstore brand like Miss Claire, bringing up these many shades was really commendable, and I was really wowed when they introduced tan shades for dusky skin tone. Though they have only 3 variants in dusky skin tone, but I would like Miss Claire to bring more such shades. And because this is an amazing formula, it has a semi matte finish and it dries up to matte if you set your base very well. I have an in-depth review on this particular foundation, so I won't talk much, but I really enjoy using this foundation. And this foundation can make you look natural, but if you want a full coverage one, you can easily build up the consistency as per your need. And also you have to set it very well, because first few hours it feels tacky on your skin, but if you set it with powder and with a good setting spray, then it will last you for long. If you have oily skin, you can thoroughly enjoy this foundation, but if you have a dry skin, like always, you'll have to pre-moisturize, prime your face very well, and then you can use this foundation. So yes, this is my another favorite from drugstore brand, and I can't stop using this. Next in the favorite is Lakme 9 to 5 Matte Plus Poreless Perfect Cover Foundation. This retails for rupees 475, and I am in the shade Neutral Chestnut. This can go down to a very nice price point, under rupees 300 when on discount. Let's talk about little bit about the formula. The formula is very runny and thin kind of consistency it has, but it gives you a very natural semi matte kind of finish. It gives you a nice glow when applied on your skin. If you want, you can keep it to a medium coverage if you are a daily foundation user, but if you want a very glamorous full coverage, and if you're that kind of girl, then too you can easily build up the formula without making your face look cakey, and this will not even crease on you. If you prep your skin well, this will stay on for very long hours. If you are oily, dry, combination sensitive, it is good for every skin type and skin tone. The only drawback is I don't love the packaging. The packaging that they have provided is a spatula. Instead, they could have given a pump packaging, which is 10,000 times way more secure, safe, and hygiene than this. So yes, I don't love the packaging. Other than that, everything is just mind blowing about this foundation. Next favorite is Maybelline Superstay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation. This retails for rupees 750 and I'm in the shade 320 Honey. I used to use the shade Golden before, but later on I realized that that looked very light on my skin, and even if I try to bronze up and do the contouring everything, still my face was looking a little bit ghostly. So I switched on to this. This is a bit dark on my skin, but still I can make it work. Nowadays I don't use it that much as I used to, because firstly it is winter, secondly my skin is aging, and I love using my lighter foundation that has a very natural finish, gives a nice dewy finish. This will give you a very matte finish. If you are someone that loves to hide their flaws under the foundation and don't want anything to peek through out of the foundation, this foundation is for you. If you are a makeup artist and you do bridal makeup, you can rely on this foundation, because this stays put for 14 to 16 hours unless and until you remove the foundation. If you have a dry skin like me, you can use this foundation, but you will have to prep your skin very well. Even if I prep my skin well, after removing this foundation, my skin feels very dried, as if the moisture has been suck out from my skin. So it is that way. That's why I have stopped using this, but otherwise it was my favorite. And the formulation is so matte, so thick, that little goes a very long way. You have to be little quick in your blending game, because this dries up pretty quick. And if you are someone who likes to take their time while blending out the foundation, that time you can do one thing is try doing half and half, so that way it will not make your face look cakey. Also, there won't be any dry patches and your face will look flawless. If you don't want to spend 750 on this, you can wait for discounts and you can pick your right shade during that time. Next favorite is L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Fresh Wear Foundation. This retails for rupees 1200 and I am in the shade Hazelnut. It has a very nice pump packaging, which is a very good for a foundation, and I love when a foundation has a pump packaging. The packaging is of glass, and this has an oxygen technology that allows your skin to breathe underneath the makeup. If you have full face of makeup done, but still your skin will breathe, your skin will look fresh. And also this has a very nice glowy kind of finish that gives you a healthier kind of glow, like from within kind of glow. The texture is very runny, very light. It is transfer proof. I have done a complete dedicated video on this foundation wherein I have done a wear test and everything. So if you want an in-depth review about this foundation, and if you want to know how this foundation works and everything, then you can check the description box. I will mention the link over there. Also, you can check it on the I button here or here, wherever you can find it. Overall, if I speak about this, it is a very good foundation. And if you think that 1200 is lot to spend, then you can definitely wait for discounts on Nykaa and even on Amazon or Flipkart. So yes, a full review will be linked in the description. Please go ahead and check it there. Another favorite is LA Girl Pro Coverage Illuminating Foundation. This retails for rupees 1290 and I'm in the shade tan. This has a nice plasticky packaging which makes it very convenient to travel. Cap is really sturdy and secure, and also it has a pump which makes it very nice for any foundation. The formula, if I say, it has a very nice moussey kind of formula, and when you try to blend it out, it blends like a dream. It has a very nice glossy dewy finish, and you don't need an extra illuminating product under this foundation because this will do the job on its own. And you can see how great it looks when you apply this onto your face. Your face looks so fresh. It gives you that youthful kind of glow that we all love nowadays. And if you want, you can keep it for natural, and if you want, you can build it up. This will not make your face look cakey, it will not crease, but you will have to really set it well, otherwise this can transfer on your clothes or whatever things you're using. If you have a oily skin type, you can use this, but I would say that use a very nice gel like moisturizer, use a mattifying primer underneath, and then use this foundation. And when your skin oils out, like the areas where your skin generally goes oily, you can use a tissue to remove that extra oil and set it with a nice translucent powder or a compact powder. For oily skin, I have given you a solution, but for dry skin like me, this is a boon. You will not feel that you are wearing a foundation. This will not give you that tight kind of feeling, plus it will give you a very fresh kind of feeling. And if you're attending any kind of event, functions, weddings, this will photograph you so well in pictures. It will give you a very nice glowy skin, a very youthful skin. So if you don't have this foundation yet, you need to try this out. You will not regret it. So yes, this is my very favorite foundation, and I can't do without this when I am going for any weddings or any functions. Next we have NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop up to 24 hours matte finish foundation. As you all can see, it comes in a glass packaging like this, and this retails for rupees 1400 on Nykaa, but the shade that I'll mention is not available on Nykaa, and I'm in the shade 15.9 Warm Honey. So if you're wondering if it is not available on Nykaa, from where I got mine, I bought mine from Cult Beauty. And if you guys are interested how to shop from Cult Beauty, then I have a complete dedicated video on that. Everything has been explained. Even I have an updated video on how to shop from Cult Beauty. I have given a very nice guidance on how you can avoid customs, how you can do the shipping, how to track it. Everything has been explained. So I will mention the link in the description and also on the I button here. Coming back to the foundation again, this says it gives you a matte finish, but I would say it gives you a matte finish in a better way, in a healthier way, in a glowier way. Yes, once you apply this foundation, it gives you a matte but a very youthful kind of glowy matte finish. And also the formula is really thick. Let me just show it to you guys. So I have taken this much. Generally, if you want to do your full face, you need a pump and a half depending upon the foundation. But if you take half a pump and do your whole face, you will get a very natural glowy kind of look. And if you want to build up to a full coverage one, you can definitely do that without making you look cakey or ghostly, because this has a very nice formula. It gives you that time to blend, and also it has a very full coverage. It might look light on the camera, but this is my exact skin tone. So whenever I want to match my foundation, or whenever I want to buy a new foundation, I use this shade as my reference and buy it. This gives a very nice semi matte finish. You can see that it gives a nice glow. Also it is water resistance, if I'm not wrong. This was in collaboration with the beauty guru Elisa Ashley, but later Jackie Aina has increased the shade range for deeper and rich skin tone people. I really enjoy this foundation when I'm going out for longer hours or I'm attending wedding, because it picturizes your skin so well. It gives you so nice youthful kind of glow that you guys will love that. Even if you want, you can keep it to a natural finish by using very tiny amount, and little goes a very long way with this foundation. Sometimes it is better that your flaws should peek out, and it makes you look more radiant, more beautiful. And I absolutely love this foundation to the core. It is my all-time favorite. Even if I finish this foundation, I will make it a point to get it from Cult Beauty again. And yes, this will always remain a favorite one for me. Next we have Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation Plus Concealer foundation, and this retails for rupees 1600. Yes, it is quite pricey, and I'm in the shade 09 Tan. When you are on those days when you don't want to glam up your face and just want to look natural, you can use this foundation. And if you want to hide some areas that has imperfections, you can spot conceal with this foundation, and it gets the job done for you. It suits every skin tone, whether you're oily or dry or sensitive. Combination suits everyone. This has a very nice semi matte finish. You can easily build from a medium to a full one, and it will not make your face look cakey. This does not crease on you, and also it lasts you for long hours. And I would definitely recommend you guys. I know 1600 is very pricey, but whenever you see it on discount, don't forget to grab it, because you will definitely love this foundation as I do. So yes. Next we have Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation. I'm in the shade 07 as of now, and this retails for rupees 2810. The packaging is very pretty. It has a rose gold cap, and this is a twistable cap. It is a plastic packaging, and you get a squeezy bottle like this, which is very nice. Let me tell you guys that shade 07 is a little too yellow for me. I should have gone for 8 or 9, so I can make it work. The formula is very nice, light to medium kind of formula. This gives you a flawless base. It blurs out your imperfection. This I use it on the days when I really want a natural kind of finish. I don't want too much of products on my face. I don't want any layering, just a primer, foundation, little bit of blush, and mascara, liner, lipstick. That's it. If you want to build up, then you can use a brush, because sponge will soak up that extra product and it will give you a very natural finish. But if you want some kind of coverage, then you can go for a brush. But I don't like brush for a natural looking foundation, because anyways this has a light to medium one, and if I want a coverage, then I will definitely go for a full coverage one. Why would I settle for a natural finish one? So this is my calculation regarding this. And now let me show you the consistency and the formula and everything. This is how it looks. It blends like a dream. It gives you a nice blurring kind of effect. As you all can see, this has settled to a very nice matte, semi matte finish, and if I press it, this has impressions. So if you are using this, you will have to set it very well with the powder, because this can transfer very easily. This is my everyday kind of foundation, and if I'm going to office or if I'm attending any kind of meetings online, I prefer using this because this makes me look presentable, and also it gives you that radiance. So yes, we have reached to the end of this video, and we have one more foundation to share with you guys, and that is Fenty Beauty Pro Filters Soft Matte Foundation. Quite a mouthful name. This is in the shade 330 and it retails for rupees 3400. Not available in India. If you want to get it, you'll have to approach Instagram pages to get it for you. Let's talk about the packaging. It comes in a nice white cap packaging with a frosted glass bottle, comes with a pump, and the packaging is very sleek. The glass is of very good quality. This has a very nice long wearing matte finish formula. It is free of paraben. If you stay in humid climate like in Mumbai or any other parts of India, it adapts to that atmosphere and it gives you that finish. It has a nice medium to buildable kind of coverage, so I can easily build it up. If I want, I can use a sponge to give me a natural finish. If I want a more coverage, I will use a brush. Apart from its long wearing formula, it makes your skin shine free. It gives you that instant flawless base. On the website it is mentioned that it blurs out your pores, but it doesn't do that for me. I have large pores around my nose and mouth area, so it does not blur that out, so it is all gimmicky for me. But it gives you a very nice matte finish throughout the day, and it gives you a flawless. So yes guys, that's what's my top 10 favorite foundation, and by this we are coming to the end of this video. Do let me know if you have any kind of request that you want me to do, or if you want more of such videos, what next would you like to see from my end. And if you like such videos and if you think that these kind of videos are helpful for you, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.